Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I unboxing a racing simulator cockpit. Ito guys ang racing seat guys. So, i-unbox din natin ngayon. So, ito mag-unbox na ako guys. Dito ko lang ilalagay dahil i-transfer ko naman doon para mag-assemble ako. So, okay. Mag-unbox na tayo. Parang easy lang to i-assemble guys dahil folding kasi to. Nang una, dahil hindi kami comfortable sa aming return na lang. Sana ito hindi na ma-return. Box in the box, guys. Ito ang ating anak. So hard here. There you go. What's this?
More.
Box in the box.
Okay, put.
No, wait. Up here. Yeah. There you go.
Put.
This is a folding chair.
That's it.
Okay.
You can see it though.
There you go.
Why is
Wow.
it so small?
No, wait. Slowly, Archie, because we not know if we return or not.
I don't like it. I can do it.
You not want to wait lagi, Archie.
I'm gonna do it.
Here, guys. There is.
Cutting it.
Okay. There you go. It's lying down.
There's so much dirt on it. Oh, this is for the pedals. No. There you go. What kind of padded cushioning is this? I'm gonna fall through this. How weird is this? I would sit on it. Wrench. Unscrew this one?
Yep. Okay guys, here is the racing simulator cockpit.
Too big. Weird.
We done assemble. Okay, try RJ.
I don't wanna.
Try. You're a model.
No. I don't wanna.
There you go. We
You do
can
it.
open this here. And that. Okay. And I try here.
RJ is recording.
There you go. There you go. Look like I cannot reach in here. Not so close. My goodness. Okay.
Can you reach?
Yeah, but look, I not like
It's a
Papa
little bit.
steering.
Anyway, it's gonna be like here, not like here. Okay.
There you
come
go.
open This thing.
So, okay, we unboxing the
Steering wheel.